A real quick bit on, it's called continuously compounded interest. And we're gonna do the same problem with this setup. The equation turns into A equals P times E to the RT. So if we had 25,000 for P, R was 0.062 and T was 10. This becomes 25,000 times E to the 0.62. I already did the times 10 and moved the decimal point one.
Oh.
Approximately the same.
It's about the same. It's less than $3 more
Yeah.
than daily interest. So at some point it becomes trivial. You compound too often, it's not, long term, it's not changing anything. Like over 10 years and you've gained less than $3 more versus daily interest, it's not a big change. Let me hit stop on that.
So what is continuously compounding interest? What does that mean?
Every single fucking fraction of a second. Bing, 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 bing.
That's when you're calculating.
Yeah. Just continuously compounded. Without pause.